Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. I wanted to take this time to make a short little video for you all and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and a Happy Holidays to whatever holidays that you might be celebrating this time of year. Also, I wanted to show my appreciation to you all for following this channel and for watching my videos and for trying out the recipes at your home and commenting and doing your thumbs up. I really appreciate your support and grateful that you are all here part of the show. And I'm looking forward to another year, looking forward to 2022 and what this channel will bring. And I might do a few things differently. I may keep most of it the same. Who knows? I'm still thinking of things that I might be trying new next year. Really excited for that. Once again, I wanted to thank you all for being a part of the show and happy holidays, and I will see you again soon. Take care everyone, and happy baking and cooking.